In this video, I want to share how we can create Google account. So first of all, we need to open any browser. I'm going to open Google Chrome here, and you can open any browser just like Firefox or Yahoo or any browser, and we're gonna create Gmail account. So in the search bar, we're gonna type create a Gmail account. So I'm gonna click Gmail account, create Gmail account here, and we need to click this and scroll it down. So create an account. Also, this text box is to fill up your existing account if you already have, but now we are going to create. So to create account here, and I'm going to create for my personal use. If you want to create for your church, and here for your work or your business, you're going to choose here, but now we are going to create for my personal use. And here you need to provide your name, so that will be displayed on your Google account. And it's just optional, you can put it. I'm not going to put it because it's just optional, and click next. So here you need to provide your birthday, so which month you're born. I will provide here, and which date and which year. So of course your age must be above 16 years old. If not, the Google will not allow you to open. And your gender. So and here you need to provide your username. Yeah, you can provide you can provide any username here. I will provide this. Then let us check this username is available or not, and click yes, this is available. If your username is not available, you need to try a different name. And here password, your password must be strong enough. You need to reconfirm your password, and if you want to check your password, you can click right here and then next. So this is to verify some of existing accounts from any device. So if you have the smartphone, of course you will have the smartphone, any devices, your tablet or any phone, you just open your camera and scan to this QR code, and this will be linked directly to your Google account. Yes, now already verified. So if you have existing email address, any email you can provide here. If not, we can just skip. And so now our email is already done, and click next, and I agree. So now our email is already done. We don't save here. Okay, so this means make sure you can always sign in to add recovery phone number. If you want to add recovery phone number, you need to add from here. If not, we just dismiss, and now we can use. So now you can go back to the Google, and if you close all these things and you go back to the Google account, go back from the Google, and okay, Gmail, okay, Gmail account here. So now our email address is ready, we can use. So if you want to sign out, you just press sign out here. And so if you want to sign in again, and that is our username, and here you need to provide your password, which is you just set. Then you provide the password and click next. Alright, so if you want to have a recovery phone number which is for safety, then you need to type here. If not, you just dismiss. And here home address or anything you can provide for your security purpose. Yeah, so this is inbox, this is for compose if you want to send the email, and these are whatever you want to do with the email service. All is right here because I don't have any email inbox because we just created a new one. If somebody say you the email, you're gonna check from your inbox, and if you send to somebody, then you can check back from here. So that's all guys, I hope this video will help for someone, and thank you for watching my video.